This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Town Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Enjoy sophisticated downtown living in this waterfront urban oasis. Spacious 3-bedroom/2-bath condo with southwest corner location and bold river views. Many recent luxurious renovations and updates include a large, open chef's kitchen with custom cabinetry and upscale appliances, spa-like bathrooms, hickory hardwood flooring, replacement windows/sliding doors, 2021, and new HVAC, 2023. There is a large covered balcony, 2 assigned garage parking spaces, a private conditioned storage room, and a deepwater boat slip. Shown by appointment only with the listing agent present. For more information, review the details below.